At the surge of the second wave, with the increasing number of COVID cases and the demand of the oxygen, shortage in the vaccine doses, the condition of the people has become miserable. In this scenario, the DRDO's 2DZ drug has become the new weapon against the coronavirus. The DRDO has launched the new anti-COVID medicine 2DZ, 2-deoxy-D-glucose. This is analogous to the normal glucose and helps to fight against the coronavirus. Here we can see the test results of the two corona patients. On the left hand side we can see there is a growth in the coronavirus when the 2DZ drug has not given. On the right hand side, when the 2DZ drug has given, the growth of the virus significantly decreased. Let's see how this drug works. When we take this drug, this 2DZ molecule stops the coronavirus from the glycolysis. Glycolysis is a process in which the virus cells will multiply themselves by taking the glucose as their food. Like this, the virus cells will multiply themselves inside our body and ultimately destroy our cells. This is how the human beings will suffer from the virus infections. When we take this D2Z drug, which seems to be the glucose, will stops the virus from the glycolysis, ultimately stopping them from the multiplication and destroy the virus from the human body. This drug helps the COVID patients to boost their recovery rate and also reduces the supplementary oxygen dependency. The DRDO has started the phase 1 clinical trials during the first wave of the pandemic in April 2020 and found that this 2DZ molecule works effectively against the coronavirus and also inhibits the viral growth. They have conducted the phase 2 trials in between the May and October of 2020 and the phase 3 trials in November 2020. By the end of March 2021, they have carried out the last stage trials on 220 patients in 27 COVID hospitals of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. This trial data has showed that there is a significant progress in the recovery rate of the patients and also they have become less dependent on the supplementary oxygen. Let's see how this drug works against the different variants and mutants of the coronavirus. As the drug works by arresting the virus from multiplying itself, hence it will work for almost all kinds of mutants and variants of the coronavirus. This 2DZ is available in the powder form and can be taken by mixing in the water twice a day. This drug is recommended for the use of the moderate to severe COVID-19 cases only. The patients who are suffering from the mild infections and recovering from the home may not need this drug. The DRDO, with the collaboration of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, will make this first ever anti-COVID drug available for the public with the 10,000 doses. The price of this drug is yet to be announced. However, the price will be kept affordable by the common people. Stay home, stay safe.